Well, hey everybody, this is Road Trip Dave here, coming at you from Myrtle's Inlet, South Carolina. Why are we here? Because we're actually taking a trip to the Wings over Myrtle Beach Air Show. So stay with us, we're gonna show you a whole bunch of cool things, and we gotta go through the traffic first. And then once we get there, we'll show you all that's going on, all the static planes, and hopefully the Blue Angels. So, hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, after you finish watching this video, please sure to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and yes, Instagram, with the links in the description below. So, to get started, my wife ordered the parking space reservation on the air show's website for $15. This gave us a parking decal in what was called the Blue Lot, which sat about 2 miles away from the air show gate. As you can see, the traffic was slow. I anticipated that the traffic would be bad, but we were only in line with other cars, like here, for about 20 minutes. Then we saw this. This was the enormous line of people waiting for the bus. And I'm not exaggerating the length of this line either. Well guys, I finally found a parking space. It was, this is the first event, so I think it was a little hectic, but when we first got into our parking lot, it was going to be a 3-hour wait for the shuttle. So I actually found something closer to the runway. I had to pay some extra money. But we are heading there now, and hopefully I'll be able to show you some more planes. This is the first time event, and I expected it to be a little crazy, but this was pretty crazy. If you have prepaid tickets, which I do, we go right in the line. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here. Here's the C-130. It's like a T-38 right there. T-37. And right over there is the big bad C-17. A lot of cool static displays. These guys right here are known as the Geico Sky Typers. Let's watch these guys for a few minutes, and you'll even see them race a jet car.
Unique method for combining 6 separate aircraft back into a single formation. All military aircraft. All right, here they come. Let's see if he's ready. We have got Stay tuned. All right, the race is on. Here we go.
This next guy coming up in the red and black airplane is aerobatics pilot Rob Holland.
All the way down, quarter rolls, half rolls, full rolls, all the way, corkscrewing all the way down, 300 miles, crossing Joe Center, and a hard pull to the vertical. Nobody does it better than Rob Holland.
This is a static display of an Air National Guard KC-135 Stratotanker that is stationed in Pittsburgh, which makes sense when you see the nose art right here.
All the way down the shoreline, just inches above the ground, is Mike Wiskus in the Lucas Oil Pit Special.
Look at that!
All right, Mike, hold it up now.
This Michael Wiskus is another phenomenal aerobatics pilot. This right here is the tail number for one of Charleston's C-17 aircraft. And this is the line to get in it, so I don't think we're going to do that today. There's a C-17 right here. Pretty impressive, huh? So now, I'm gonna head back to our seat. I figured I'd show the C-17 a bit.
Sideways, all the rudder that he can use in there. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, my favorite World War II airplane of all time, the F-4U Corsair.
Left is right, right is left. Over your right shoulder and a photograph. Japanese call this a twisted death because right where the wing joins the fuselage on the leading edge, closing out like two. Ask you once again, visit their Facebook page and share your videos and images from today's show.
As a great way to segue from the Corsair demo to the P-51 Mustang, they both are flying in formation to form what is known as the Class of 45. Very cool. I really hope you enjoyed this part 1 vlog of the Wings Over Myrtle Beach Air Show. Please remember to like this video, make a comment, share it with others, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell for notices of future videos. Until part 2 of the Air Show vlog, Dave's Roadies, laters.